What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. If you're new, make sure you drop that like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified as soon as future content drops. But anyways, with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can solve the link expired error in UC browser or Opera Mini. But in this video I have decided to use Opera Mini because, well, that was the browser that I had installed. So I was trying to download EtherOS, as you can probably tell, and it already said expired link. For some weird reason, I guess you must have internet connection problems, or the server does not allow pause and resume function, which I don't know why Google Drive doesn't do this, because I use Google Drive a lot, well, when I'm downloading large files anyway. But I'm gonna show you how you can solve this error using simple steps. So firstly, go back to the download page. It might not be Google Drive, it might be a separate site, I don't know which one you used. Go back and then click download again. Yes, again. As soon as it starts downloading, just wait for it to reach a couple megabytes, maybe one, and then just hit that pause button. And then we're just gonna hit pause and then open your file manager. I'm not sure which one you're gonna be using. I prefer using Mix. I do like the stock, but it's just that it doesn't have multitasking that much, and some of your stock browsers might not allow extension renaming as well. So I'm gonna leave the link to Mix right in the description. So go ahead into the directory you were downloading your file. As you can probably tell, I have two files with this almost the same name. I'm just gonna delete the file that was currently being downloaded, roughly 2 megabytes. You're just gonna delete that file and then rename the file that you had downloaded before. So before it said link expired, excuse me, you must have downloaded a couple megabytes. I had over 200 megabytes here, so I'm just gonna rename that and then add the one, is rename it exactly as Opera Mini or UC browser has renamed it, and then hit a couple refreshes. Go back to the download section in Opera Mini, and then as soon as you click that download button, it immediately reads the file in the internal storage, and then it's going to continue from there. So guys, this is the method that you can use to fix the link expired error in UC browser as well as Opera Mini. You can try this on different browsers, but well, Samsung Internet Explorer, I don't know, they should probably fix this. So anyways guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, I would really appreciate it if you drop that like, subscribe, comment down on what you would want to see me make a video next. I have been trying to upload. This is going to be the third video in like 2-3 days. But anyways guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.